guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Danae. If you didn't know, if you are new here, how you doing? If you are old, welcome back. Today we are doing a makeup haul. This past Saturday, I made the mistake of going into Ulta and Sephora on the same day, along with a bunch of other stores, and so I'm bringing you this haul video. I wanted to go get a couple things to take with me to New York when we do go to the Greatest Day Ever Festival, and I kind of went overboard. So I'm turning it into a haul for you guys. So first bag, which is the smallest, is Sephora. From Sephora, I kept it light. I didn't get much. I finally got my hands on the Fenty foundation. I have been waiting a while to get it. Well, first in the beginning, the color 400 was sold out everywhere, and then after that, I was like, I get it whenever. So I got the foundation in the color 400. I was gonna get Gloss Bomb, but I didn't see the point. I have enough MAC lip glosses to suffice. One day I will try it though. I also got this miniature palette, and this is just a Sephora mini palette, and it comes with 6 eyeshadows, matte, shimmer, and glitter. This one was $10 in their little travel section, and I said this would save me from having to bring a whole palette with me to the festival, even though I'll probably bring one anyway. And this is how the palette looks. I'm pretty sure you guys have saw these palettes before. This is the palette, and it has some instructions for basically how to wear it, and it comes with 6 colors: cream, candy, almond, honey, chestnut, and classic. So it's not really an extravagant palette. The colors are really kind of subdued. They're not like super bright colors. It's just so I can get some basic something going on while I'm on vacation. But I'll definitely be bringing a big palette since we are going to a festival, because if you all haven't done so, make sure you check out my my festival must-haves video for makeup. So that was all I got from Sephora. So from Ulta, I have a decent amount of stuff, and then I also have some stuff that's not in a bag because I already took it out of the bag. NYX was having buy one, so this stuff is from last week before last. NYX was having a buy one get one 50% off or free, something like that. So I got some NYX concealer and a color to contour. So I just got these two in the color 7.5 and 8.8. And it's the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. That's that one. And then I also got another waterproof Better Than Sex mascara. So my other one was running low, so I decided to grab another one. And then I got a small bottle of the Urban Decay Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray, which is just this one. I also wanted to try out a Makeup Revolution palette. So I got the Rose Gold Chocolate palette. That is this one. And I really love this packaging, the candy bar look. It's so cute to me. And it comes with 16 shimmer and matte shades. And I'll show you guys that. I thought this was so adorable. A large shade range, so this will definitely probably be coming with me to the festival, and it's small, which I love. So that is that one. If you have any of the chocolate bar makeup palettes, let me know what you think of them down in the comment section. So for my most recent trip, I also got a Real Techniques body sponge. I watch a lot of Ashley D Beauty, and she always talks about using her body blender to do her foundation and things like that, so I wanted to give it a try, and it was on sale. So another thing that I did get was the Mario Badescu skincare water, and this one is the aloe, herb, and rose water. So I got this one just to, if it'll focus. Yeah, so I got this one just to try out. Aside from that, I also got the NYX That's the Point Put a Wing on It liner. So I already have the That's the Point Super Edgy. So I wanted to try the Put a Wing on It because that's what I'm trying to work on, putting some wings on it. I also got a Morphe M444 brush, which is this one. The foundation brush, because I definitely needed one and I wanted to try it. So I guess I could take it out of the pack. I almost used this stuff like today when I was doing my makeup. Ooh. So this is the brush. So I'm excited to try that out. I already have one, but if you bought more than $15 in NYX products, you got a free matte finish setting spray. So I did get that free today. So I got the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner, and I got one in gold and one in blue. And that are these. The little mini liners. I thought that would be cute, something cute to wear at the festival, and then I really wanted like a shimmery glitter liner. And then last but not least, I did get the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C13. So that is this one. And then I also got a liquid highlighter, and I got the color Liquid Rose Gold. So this one from Makeup Revolution. And that's that one. So that is all of the makeup products that I did buy. So that is all of the makeup products that I did buy today and last week. I'll probably have a thrift haul coming soon because I did go thrifting and buy a lot of cute little accessories and things, and I'm trying to show you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. If you've used any of the products that I mentioned in this video, let me know what you guys think about them in the comment section, or how you like them in general. As always, I am your girl A Danae, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.